Top of the morning to you, YouTube. It's your buttery voiced host, HefTV, coming at you. And we just got back from Popeyes in search of the chicken sandwich. This thing was crazy hard to get. We had to make like 4 trips in between 2 days to finally get some, but we got them. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to roll this intro, and I'm going to take a few bites and tell you what I think, and was it worth it? Alright guys, so let's take a look at this sandwich here. So you got the nice, that's a decent sized sandwich. Nice brioche bun. We got the spicy ones, so we got some delicious breaded chicken on there, filet. Pretty big, and some creamy, some kind of spicy sauce. And on the bottom here we got pickles and some more sauce. So know what you're thinking. Pickles, a brioche bun, chicken, and sauce. Let's take a look and see how this goes. It's crunchy. The breading's good. Chicken's pretty good too. Not too dry. Pretty solid looking sandwich. Try to get a bite with pickle here. Pickle is really good actually. I'll do one more here. Well, that is good. Now, unfortunately, there's no Chick-fil-A near me, so I can't do a comparison. I've had Chick-fil-A before, but I definitely think I'm going to have to hand this to a Popeye sandwich. It's really good. I don't know. I mean, it's really, really good. Is it worth all the hype? Probably not. It's a chicken sandwich. But if you get a chance to get it, it is very tasty and very good. I would absolutely recommend it. As long as the line's not too long and make sure they have it, calling ahead would probably help. But yeah, that's going to be that. So, you know, get your own, make your own decision. I'm just one dude. But we'll see you next time, guys. Go out there and do good things because nobody else is going to. If everybody did one good thing for somebody else each day, this world wouldn't be such a bad place. And we'll catch you next time on HefTV.